First of all, I want to thank God and Evangelical Baptist Church, Guwahati, for giving me the opportunity to share God's goodness in my life in the last few weeks. If someone asks me, describe your last few weeks in 2 words, it will be only fear and faith. When I look back, it was not about me, but it was only about His grace. Well, I had a lot of fears, as already you know, that me, myself, and my mom, both of us, we were COVID positive. And from last year, from the time COVID started, I have been extremely careful, not because of myself, but because of my aged and sickly mother. Prayed with fear that we'll be protected from this deadly virus. But somehow we got exposed to it last few weeks back. And seeing and understanding the COVID situation, we prayed that it will not affect my mom's lungs, but 60% of her lungs got affected, and her condition was very bad. In between these fears, a small ray of faith was always there in my heart. I had faith that nothing major will happen to me, and even if I suffered physically bit. I see that my fears almost killed my faith in Jesus, but I had hope that prayers would work. I sent prayer requests everywhere for me and my mom. While staying in the hospital, I saw my mom go through. Sorry, I'm getting emotional. Go through high temperature, bad cough, diarrhea, and lot of things. Thank God she didn't have any problem with breathing. And my only prayer was that time was, Lord, you know I'm alone. I don't have anyone except my mom. Like David wrote in Psalms number 6:6, I'm so weak. I cried to you all night. My pillow is soaked. My bed is dripping wet from my tears, and my condition was same like David's. Slowly, we both started recovering in the hospital. It was almost going to be a week. After we got negative, slowly, I started again thinking about our financial part, how to pay back all the hospital bills. My friends, as if they already knew, chipped in to help me financially. Suddenly, I got a call from Auntie Lucy, the founder of the previous organization I worked, and she told me that they have been praying and they saw us in need. I was so touched by her phone call that this time I had tears of joy that my father is taking care of everything. Then even Sir Lama, he too came forward to help me. Guwahati Baptist Church, they also lend their helping hand towards us. I take this time also to thank Dr. Lama, our Himalayan for Christ treasurer, then Uncle Pao, Auntie Lucy, and all my friends, even Brother Moon and Lung Taina, and even my dear colleague Kadalung. They have come forward to help me financially. And there are many friends who provided our lunch, dinner, and even one of my brother who gave blood to my mom. I'm just overwhelmed with joy that I don't have debts in the hospital anymore. There was a constant battle between fear and faith. But as I looked around for all the blessings, faith built up. Faith built up that even though we walk through the valley of death, I'll fear no evil. For You are with me. My testimony is not a great one because I choose fear many times instead of faith. But one thing I can say is my mom is recovering because of many of your prayers. I am weak, but he is strong. I had to constantly, intentionally remind myself that God is in control. I am no one and I am a sinner, but I am grateful that He heard our cries for mercy and brought us out of that situation. Thank you, Evangelical Baptist Church.